फ्रेंड्स, चलिए सिंपल को सुपर बनाते हैं। ये सिंपल क्लिप इसको थोड़ा सुंदर बनाते हैं। लुक दैट। फॉर दिस वी नीड अ क्लिप ऑफ कोर्स। और फिर उसके बाद हम उनको कुंड से बनाते हैं। सबसे पहले इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू। Done. Now, so I was thinking instead of so a flower, shall we space this flower over here, or I need to either you can make a flower and paste it, or we could make a bow like this. Let's see how we can make this bow. For making this bow, we need to just make a simple ring. Wrap the yarn with your fingers, take it out from the middle and just make it. Look, this is the magic ring people used to say. Now we need to make 6 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, right? Now we need to wrap the yarn 1 2 and 3 times. This is called triple crochet. Take it out 1, take it out 2 times, and then 3 times, and the last one 1 2 and 3 wrap. Put it in the middle of the ring, take it out the yarn 1 2 3 and 4. Again 3 times you wrap the yarn with the needle, over the needle 1 2 and 3 and 4. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Need to make 1 2 3 4 5 and the last one 6. So 1 2 3 4 and one more line, one more time 2 and then 3, right? Now 1 2 3 4 and then 5 chain, close it from the ring with slip stitch. Okay, yeah. Now coming out over here, look, isn't it the same? Now in the same way we need to make 6 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Again triple crochet, 1 2 and then 3 and then 4. Again triple crochet 1 2 and yeah, see 1 2 and 3. Put it inside the circle, take it out. 1 2 and 3. 1 2 3. Just we need to make 2 more, and then I'm coming back to you. Finish it up with the 5 chain. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Just go inside of it, take it out with the slip stitch, just lock it with slip stitch, pull it the extra yarn, and then we cut it. Look, the final part. इसको 4 चांद लगाने के लिए we are going to add some more decorative part. Now I have small beads we can add to make it more beautiful, right? See, just drop it, put it over here, and now ta-da, our pins are ready to get. So children can also make it. It is so simple, isn't it? You could also try. Thank you. Bye bye. See you for the next video. Till such time, have a good, stay happy.